Hello everyone, welcome back to our Salesforce series. In today's quick tutorial, we will learn how to change the case layout and explore the layout options in Salesforce step by step. So let's get started. To change the layout option and reorder the fields in the case module, first of all, we have to go to settings. Under settings, we have to click on object manager. Under object manager, we will be choosing case module because we will changing the rearranging and changing the order in case module only. Then we have to go to case page layout options. Here you have to choose the case layout option. It will open up the option. Here all of the fields which I have created, the system default fields and the custom fields will be available here. Then we have to choose a particular field, for example case number. Just we have to click on it and drag and drop to the option below. Here, after dragging and dropping it, we will have more option to edit this. Then after editing this, we will click on save, so the changes will be saved. This is how you can change the layout of the fields in Salesforce. Thank you for watching this video. Do follow this channel to watch more such quick tutorials on Salesforce.